For this video, I am going to teach you how to use the eye tracking on iOS 18. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your phone is updated to iOS 18. So you can just check that on your settings, or in your settings, go to the general tab, and in the general, go to software update, and make sure again that you are on the, or you have downloaded iOS 18 in your device. So once you have done that, you can now use the eye tracking feature on your iPhone. So what you need to do is again go to your settings, and in your settings, go to the accessibility section. It should be under the general tab or general section, and then once you are in the accessibility, go ahead and locate eye tracking just under the physical and motor section. So this is the eye tracking section. Tap onto it, and then you should have that, or you should have this on the first part of your screen, or the most upper part. So what you need to do is to simply toggle that on, and it is gonna say that follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. So you just need to also do that. So I'm just going to do this one. So just make sure that your face is on the right premise, or you have your face is not really, it's not that close on your screen or with your phone for your phone to be able to track your eye properly. So do this process properly. So this is very simple. So now once you have done that, you can now utilize the eye tracking feature on your iPhone. So for example, right here, I want to toggle off the stop to item. So I just need to focus on that specific place. Okay, so it might take some time for you to get used to using the eye tracking feature. So that's basically it. That is how you can use the eye tracking feature on your iPhone with iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.